Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. And this video is about a fabulous Black Friday special that's running on the Occudrone Sky Collection. I've been talking to Rob over at Occudrone, and he's got this amazing collection of collections. It's actually called the Ultimate Collection of Collections. Usually sells for $89. There's a coupon code JimNix30 that'll save you 30% as part of his Black Friday holiday special. So that $89 collection becomes $59, and it is 300 skies with a bonus 12 skies. And these are all captured high-res photos captured with a drone. So they're get this nice elevated viewpoint and beautiful skies, lots of amazing colors, and flat horizons, which makes it so easy to blend in. Let me show you, again, a link down below, but I'm talking about the Ultimate Collection of Collections. That link will take you to the site. If you add to cart, you can see that you can just click there, go into your cart, and you'll see that there's a promo code JimNix30. Put that in there and it will adjust your price accordingly. Now, that's how that works. By the way, he's got a number of other sky packs as well if you want to look at those, and that coupon code will work on all of them. And while I'm talking primarily about Luminar Neo here, you may know that the Occudrone Sky Collection, a subset of these skies, are included in On One Photo Raw. There's about 125 skies, I think, that's included in On One Photo Raw, but these collection, or the Ultimate Collection of Collections, is 312 skies, so you could actually enhance the amount of skies that you have available to you. Now, I want to go through and show you what these skies look like. There's lots of different collections here, and again, this is the Ultimate Collection of Collections that I'm talking about. And so you've got a lot of these blue velvet skies where you have these beautiful blue and white kind of puffy cloud kind of things. You've also got blustery blue skies. Again, a lot of different options here. And I know that the sunsets and the storms and the dramatic skies, which there's plenty of in this sky pack, I know those are more interesting, but also keep in mind that there's plenty of times when you've taken shots in the daytime and you just need a little bit of blue sky with clouds to make it a little bit more interesting. So while visually you may not be as wowed with some of the blue and white kind of puffy cloud stuff, you do have that as an option to add into skies that are kind of boring. But of course, the fun stuff is like this cotton candy sky collection. I mean, look at that sky. These are just insanely fun and beautiful. The colors, the shapes of the clouds, just all the drama. I mean, look at that kind of stuff. These are the kind of things that are included in this sky pack. So I'm just kind of scrolling through so you can get an idea of some of the things that you can do. And some of the skies, like, look at that. I love that. I love that. I love all those pinks and those sort of colors. There's another crystal blue sky. This epic tropical sunsets, as the name implies, are epic and tropical. And you can just see amazing colors, intense cloud formations, light, just everything. It's really just a lot of fun. Let me scroll through and show you a few more of these. And I'm kind of going quick. You can see some pre-visuals on the Occudrone website. Again, the link's down below, and don't forget that coupon code to save yourself 30%. Epic tropical sunrises. These also are just incredibly dramatic and beautiful and colorful. And if you've been here before, you know I like things that are dramatic and beautiful and colorful. That's just kind of one of the things I like, which is one of the reasons I like this sky pack so much. You can just see, God, let me go back and look at that. That's just so fun. And you can see what I'm talking about. Like, we've got really flat horizons because Occudrone's based down in Florida and flies a lot there. And as you can imagine, the horizon line in Florida is pretty flat. You don't have mountains getting in your way and things like that. Not to mention the fact that being based next to the ocean, you get dramatic skies fairly often. So again, lots of colors. These sunset and sunrise packs are just crazy. There's also one that I wanted to show you is this undeniably dramatic sky pack. Again, part of the Ultimate Collection of Collections. And I mean, you can just see that the drama in these kind of skies and clouds, you just have a lot of creative options and things that you can do in Luminar Neo, or to add some of these to your On One Photo Raw collection, because again, a portion of these are included in On One, but not all of them. Again, the total Ultimate Collection of Collections is 312 skies. There's 300 in the core pack, but you get a 12-pack bonus, which is this mythical Mediterranean skies, which are actually shot in Italy. And so you can see that there's some beautiful skies here as well. And now I want to show in Luminar Neo how you can use these to really amp up the drama in a couple of different kinds of photos. The first one would be a landscape like this. Now I've got an image, I started it like that, I've made some adjustments to the light to balance it a little bit, and I've got that. And so what I want to do is go into Sky AI And I've already added a couple of these skies. You can just click plus to go add skies, or if you click here and say show custom skies, that'll open up the menu where custom skies go, and you can drag folders of images there if you'd like to. But let's say I want to use this epic tropical sunset 14, and you can just see what that's doing to my photo. I mean, it just has a huge, massive impact on the overall light and look. Let me try that one. That's a bit brighter, a little bit more intense in color. And this one, I mean, it just looks fantastic. Now, don't forget, you've got a lot of capability here for adjusting the horizontal and vertical positions. You can do scenery lighting, which I definitely recommend you do, because what you want to do is make sure you're blending the colors and light from that sky into your existing foreground. If you have reflections, you can do that as well. And of course, you can make adjustments to the sky. Usually what happens is I'll make my adjustments here, and then I'll go in and play with some more light distribution across the foreground. You could use scenery lighting, or you could just use develop with a linear gradient to come in and make adjustments. In this case, I actually might want to darken the foreground a little bit to match that sky, as well as adjust some of the color temperatures. I think this Cotton Candy Sky 17 looks pretty good. And again, if you want to adjust things, you can just adjust that horizon position and pull it down so that you get more of that nice warm cloud in this scene. Again, customize, season to taste, blend it how you see fit. Just wanted to show you an example of that. Also want to show you one of a cityscape. Okay, a cityscape shot, that's what it looked like before, and there it is now. I made a couple of adjustments with Develop and Accent AI, just kind of brighten the photo. But you know, I went out, this was sunrise in Rothenburg, Germany, and there was just nothing going on. And so this is an example of where I would use Sky AI. Now, on the last photo, I've got a fairly simple landscape and I'm creating a bit of a dramatic overall look. On a photo like this, it depends on what you want to do. My typical approach with a cityscape, where you don't have as much sky as you do in a landscape, is to add something like this as kind of an accentuating element. I don't want to overwhelm the photo with the crazy sky, but I want to do something that's a little bit more interesting. And so again, lots of different options, but let's say I pick something like this that's nice and pretty, but it's not overwhelming the photo. You know, it's a nice way to kind of add to the existing look of the image. And of course, the colors kind of go well because it's already got a bit of warmth in it. But don't forget, in sky adjustments, if you want, you can adjust that warmth. You can make it warmer or cooler if you want a little bit of that coolness in the sky to counterbalance some of the warmth in the foreground. Lots of flexibility and customization options here with all these tools and filters that are built into the Sky AI tool. And of course, if you want to go a little bit more dramatic, one of the cotton candy skies looks great here. And again, just adjust accordingly. I might bring some of this down. Actually, I kind of like the cloud like that, where a little bit of that cloud is sticking up and you get a lot of that pink color. The point is, move things around, adjust, season to taste, that sort of thing. But mostly, just wanted to share this special deal that's going right now on these AquaDrone skies. 30% off with the coupon code GEMNIX30 at the link down below. I mean, this is art. I love creating things, even if they may not have existed in reality. I'm of the personal opinion that when I share photos that I've replaced a sky, I do indicate that I replaced a sky, just because I prefer to let people know that this is something I created, not necessarily something that I saw. That's a personal preference and just the way I like to do it. The point is, you have 312 different options for adding something fun, interesting, and beautiful to your existing photos, just to give them a little bit of something else, kind of amp up the oomph, if you will, or the impact of your image. Use AquaDrone skies. Fun, fantastic, beautiful, colorful, dramatic, lots of different options here. It's all a lot of fun. Great deal happening right now. Thanks for watching, my friends. Thanks for hanging out around here on my channel and checking out my videos. I'll be back soon. I've got a whole bunch of Luminar Neo workflow tutorials. I want to dive into some of the extensions, and I hope that you've been enjoying my quick tips as well, which I've been doing a lot of. I'll be back soon with more stuff. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Take care, and until then, adios.